representation can be used to teach the children in a classroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The children can be allowed to color this. Observe something. When this lesson is taught, the children would be in 4th or 5th grades, but some of them might not find this very interesting. If they have understood the concept clearly and do not wish to draw it, write it down directly. Do not force them to do a representation. If they are interested, or if they are repeatedly making mistakes, or if the concept is not strong in them, it is only then that you have to compel them to do this in a square line book. Now, if we are placing in 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many are there in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can fill in some color here. In this way, encourage them to follow this method in all stages. If we place in 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This does not become a rectangle. Therefore, this cannot be a factor. In this way, representation can be made in a square-lined book. For some of the numbers, say for example, if we take the number 3, or let's take 5. When we take the number 5, what are the factors of 5? 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we get on placing in 2 rows? A square shape cannot be formed, right? 2 cannot become its factor. Is 3 possible? No, not possible. 4? 4 also does not work. 5? Yes, it is possible. This means for this number, 1 and 5 are the only factors. None of the other numbers can become its factors. This is a special case which they will be learning in future. This is called the prime number or an indivisible number. Prime number is indivisible. Even if this appears in lessons, it could be taught to create some curiosity among them.